Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to manage account and set up alert notification in Barclays app. You can set up and manage account alert within the Barclays mobile banking app. So account alerts help you stay informed about important account activities such as transaction, account balance, and security event as well. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch the Barclays mobile banking app on your device and log in into your account. Once logged in, look for an option to manage alert within the app. This may be located in the settings menu or within the dedicated alert section. And within the alert section, you'll typically see a list of available alert type that you can set up. This may include balance alert, transaction alert, payment alert, and security alert as well. Now, accordingly, select the alert type you want to set up and customize the settings for each alert. This may include specifically the threshold for balance alert, choosing specific transaction type for transaction alert, or setting up additional security measures for security alert as well. Now, decide how you want to receive alert. This could be through your push notification within the app, email, SMS, text message, or a combination of these methods. You can just go ahead and save the settings and manage alert, and after setting up your alert, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the alert have been successfully activated. So that's basically how you can set up and manage account alert within the Barclays app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.